Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel advisor with 4 big mistakes that new cruisers make when booking your own cruise. Now, number 1, you pick the wrong ship. Either you pick a ship that's completely wrong for the type of vibe of vacation that you want to do, or you look at the website and you're like, oh my God, look at these restaurants, look at these shows, look at all these things to do. And then you pick the ship in the fleet that doesn't have the things that you really wanted because you didn't understand not every ship has everything on it. Number 2, you pick the wrong location for your cabin on the ship. Maybe there's a lot of noise going on. There's a lot of traffic going by your cabin. Maybe you're in a position where the ship is moving a lot and you're starting to get seasick. Number 3, you pay way too much for the upcharges and add-ons that you don't need, especially if you call into the cruise line. Those agents are trained very well to upsell. Oh, instead of getting this cabin, why don't I get you this other cabin? That's another $500. Sure. Hey, why don't we add this package and that package? And no, you're going to this place. Why don't we add? Suddenly your cruise ends up costing hundreds, maybe thousands more than it should. Number 4, you didn't pay enough attention to the itinerary. You could have some tender ports in there. That shortens your time in port. You might have some ports where you're only spending 3 or 4 hours, so you're not going to have enough time really to get off the ship and go do the things you want to do. Look, we've been cruising almost 20 years. We've been on 8 different cruise lines, soon to be 9 cruise lines, so we know these ships and the cruise lines inside out. We study the deck plans, we listen to what your needs are, and then we match up the ship and the itinerary for what you are looking for. So if we can help you with your next cruise or any future vacation, just reach out. The contact links are in the bio. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.